Welcome back. It's officially October, and the flavor of fall is none other than pumpkin spice. Food host Charmaine Broughton is here to share some of those recipes. Good morning, Charmaine.
Morning.
What do you have for us there today?
Well, just like you said, 'tis the pumpkin spice season.
Yeah.
So let's start off with how simple it is to make your own pumpkin spice.
All right.
Okay, so I like to go heavy on the cinnamon
Yeah.
and ginger and cloves and allspice and nutmeg. And I even like to add a little hint of cardamom in there. So we all have those spices hiding in the back of our pantry.
Right.
We can whip them together and make our own pumpkin spice.
So how you just put it together in a blender and mix those, and then what do you blend with it? Do you blend some pumpkin puree? What can you make with it?
Well, okay, so now that we have our pumpkin spice ready to go, I just like to store mine in a mason jar.
Yeah.
One thing I really love to do with pumpkin spice is make a compound butter. So compound butter is just a fancy chef term for flavored butter. So I like to use the Gailey European style sea salted butter. It's absolutely delicious. It's 84% milk fat. It's creamy, and it's just an amazing base for this compound butter. Then I add some pure pumpkin puree, some of that pumpkin spice that we made. I like to add the paste of a vanilla bean, but you could add some vanilla extract as well.
Yeah.
And and some maple syrup just to sweeten it up a bit. And then I put it into a mason jar with a little cinnamon stick. And it's a really nice, like, hostess gift to give whether you are invited somewhere for Thanksgiving or maybe an autumn dinner party. But it's fantastic, slathered on pancakes or croissants or maybe pumpkin spice scones. It's just an absolutely delicious, sweet flavored butter.
Perfect. What else you got there?
All right, the next recipe is my pumpkin and white bean dip. So this is like a twist on a hummus. So I've got some white beans and pure pumpkin puree and some fresh ginger and garlic, some tahini, some more of the pumpkin spice that we've made, some olive oil. You buzz it all up in your food processor. All right. So just super easy, healthy, delicious, because you've got the plant protein from the white beans and then the health benefits of the pumpkin as well. And then, well, there's the finished product. But another really neat way to serve it over the holidays, like over Thanksgiving, is you can hollow out a little pie pumpkin, put the hummus here. Adorable, eh? Garnish it with some dried cranberries and seeds and some olive oil, and ta-da! And you can serve it with flatbreads and veggies, oversized pretzels. This hummus, or white bean dip, I'll call it, also makes a really nice spread for leftover Thanksgiving sandwich, like turkey sandwiches.
Yeah. That's perfect. And is this something that teenagers can make too? Because I know teenagers love pumpkin spice. Or are these all easy recipes, right?
Absolutely. And actually, all of the recipes require no cooking. It's just really a matter of assembling a number of pantry staple items. So chances are, you and your family already have most of the ingredients in your kitchen anyhow. I have 2 teenage boys, and I know how teenage boys like to eat. So this is economical, healthy, and delicious for them.
What do you think it is about pumpkin spice that makes it so popular about this time of year?
I just think there's something really warm and comforting, like about the cinnamon, the ginger. Again, I like to add cardamom to mine. Cardamom adds a nice hint of a nice real depth of flavor. I just think there's just something warm and comforting. Nothing better than, coming home. My kids will be coming home this coming weekend from university, and the house will smell like pumpkin spice.
Oh, I'm sure they'll love that, Charmaine. Well, thank you so much, and this was really helpful, and we'll get all those photos up and this whole interview on our website as well.
My absolute pleasure. Happy pumpkin spice eating, everyone.
Happy October, happy pumpkin spice.